In front of me is Realme Narzo N61, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Safety and Emergency. Then choose Emergency Contacts. Hit Add Contact and tap on the one that you wish to add. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. If you wish to change order of your contacts, hit Reorder at the top right corner, hold the chosen one and drag it to the proper place. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. To delete one of your contacts, hit this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and tap on Remove in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!